Let's unbox these ingredients for skincare products. Stearic acid comes in a white pellet form. It is a natural fatty acid that stiffens and hardens products and adds a butter-like creaminess. It gives products an excellent rinse-off feel with less stickiness. Emulsifying wax NF also comes in a white pellet form. Emulsifying wax NF is a complete vegetable-derived non-ionic emulsifying wax used to create oil and water emulsions. BTMS 50 is an emulsifying wax that binds oil and water together in a smooth emulsion. Mineral oil is a humectant thought to be one of the most effective moisturizing ingredients available to the cosmetic industry. It can help soften, cleanse, and moisturize the skin. Cocamidopropyl betaine is a liquid amphoteric surfactant made from coconut oil. Cocamidopropyl betaine is a great co-surfactant that makes the overall surfactant blend milder. It helps improve flash foam and stabilize lather and helps thicken some surfactant blends. Olive pomace oil is used to provide healthy and smooth skin. Olive pomace oil is especially helpful if you have dry skin. It promotes skin and hair health. Rice bran oil is light, fast-absorbing oil. It is unlikely to clog pores. It is a lovely emollient oil with great skin feel. It has both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Apricot kernel oil has softening, hydrating, rejuvenating, and nourishing properties. Apricot kernel oil has high concentrations of vitamin A. Its fatty acids act as non-greasy emollients to nourish and restore dry skin. Apricot kernel oil is also naturally high in vitamin E, which boosts the skin's ability to retain elasticity. Babassu oil is used as an emollient in skincare, which contributes to softer, smoother skin. Babassu oil is high in lauric acid, which helps give the skin plumpness and plenty of moisture. Plus, lauric acid helps reduce skin irritation. Camelina oil is an excellent emollient with an amazing good skin penetration. It is non-oily feeling and it is absorbed pretty quickly. It improves skin's elasticity and gives a glossy finish to the skin without the oiliness factor. Camelina oil is known for its soothing and hydrating effects on the scalp and may be helpful for dry scalp conditions. Glycerin benefits the skin barrier by pulling water from the air to keep the skin hydrated and minimize water loss. It moisturizes the skin as a humectant. If you found value in this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it helps others to also be able to see this content. Thanks for watching.